Hello friend, this question is from the part test 2. Subject name is analog circuit, topic name is diode circuit and analysis is the 1 marks problem. So in the circuit you can see that it's a Zener diode based one circuit is given to us. Question says that we have one DC voltmeter deflection coil which reads 25 volt in the full scale, which can maximum read 25 volt in the full scale. And the current across this voltmeter could be maximum flown to 0.2 milliampere, and we have attached one Zener diode in parallel to this combination of 20 volt just to prevent any overloading of the current, because we don't want our deflection coil to be burned out. So for the prevention we have the Zener diode, which has this quality that if the input supply is greater than 25 volt, it will conduct to 20 volt. It will maintain the voltage 20 volt across this voltmeter along with R2. The voltmeter has a resistance of 560 ohm. Okay, so question says that calculate the difference between R2 minus R1. That is, we need to calculate. The question is pretty much clear. So you can see that so input is should be greater than 25 volt. Let's take the limiting case and consider the input as a 25 volt. Now if the voltage across Zener diode will be fixed at 20 volt, so let's name this node as a V0. So my V0 will always be 20 volt, because V0 will be the voltage across Zener diode that is going to fix at 20 volt. So if the voltage across Zener diode is fixed and across this voltmeter branch the current is already given, in series current remains same. So I can write it down the equation as V0 is equal to 0.2 milli multiplied by R2 plus Rm, right? So we can see that I also know the value of Rm. Rm is also given as a 560 ohms, and this is milliampere. Okay, and my V0 is also defined to me as a 20 volt. So we have all the unknowns here. So just 20 upon 0.2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 upon R2 plus 560, and I will get the value of R2 as 99.44 K. I have very easily calculated the resistance of R2. Once I have calculated the R2 resistance, now let's see across the R1. Input voltage is 25 because we are taking the limiting case. Okay, and I am assuming that my entire current is going to the voltmeter. Okay, that's how I want to design that Zener current should be 0. So under that case you can see that my 0.2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 will be current across R1, the same current which is flowing to the motor, which is flowing to the voltmeter. So 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to Vs minus Vz upon R1, where Vs may supply voltage 25, Vz is at 20 volt. So it will be 25 minus 20 by R1, or my R1 will be equal to 5 upon 0.2 into 10 raised to power minus 3, which is nothing but 25 kilo ohm. So value of R2 is coming out as a 99.44 kilo ohm. R1 is 25 kilo ohm. What we need to calculate is R1 minus R2 minus R1. So it is like R2 minus R1 will be 99.44 minus 25, which is nothing but 74.44 kilo ohm. So R2 minus R1 will be 74.44 kilo ohm. Okay, that will be the answer of this question. Thank you.